What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. I'm going to show you two of my absolute favorite tricks, tips, whatever you want to call them, for the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus. Really, I believe this works with any Android Oreo Galaxy device. So if you have a Galaxy device, then look at doing these. So what you want to do is go into Settings. So swipe down from the top, go to the gear, and then next what you want to do is go into Lock Screen and Security. Then you want to go down until you see Notifications and tap on Notifications. Make sure it's on, obviously, which I don't know why you wouldn't have notifications on. And the cool thing, see that lock screen? It's going to make those notifications transparent. So you won't have like a white bar. You know, it's going to be nice and pretty. So you can see how it is right now. And well, I don't have any notifications, but that's what it's going to look like. Just make your notification screen see-through, transparent. You won't have any white bars there when you get notifications. A lot of you guys asked me originally how to do it. I just never made a video on it. That's how you do it. So it's really easy. Just go into Settings, Lock Screen and Security, and then go to Notifications, and then make sure transparency is high. And the last one is also in Settings, and then you want to go on to Display. After Display, you want to go down to Edge Screen. So tap Edge Screen. Go to Edge Lighting and make sure that's turned on, and then tap on Edge Lighting, and you've got some cool stuff here. Edge Lighting Style, which is going to light up when you get notifications. It's going to show you. So it would look like that. That's what the notification looks like currently for me. But if you want to change that, you can go into Effect, and you can change it to these different colors if you want. You can see it changes there, or do multicolor, or do a glow. Ooh. So I'll change mine just to multicolor. You can go into color down here and you can customize the color that you have. So maybe you want it to just be more of a purple looking color there. And you go to transparency and you can make it high or low. Obviously it's high, you can barely see it, so you might want to keep it low. And then width, you can make this narrow or wide. So you can make it real thick, which is kind of a nice thing. It might distract you, it might not. And you can keep it that way too, so you can see the glow. It stays nice and thick. So kind of cool stuff. And then when you're done, just hit, I'm going to put mine back here, color, set to purple still. I'll set this to apply. And then anytime I get a notification, it's going to light up that screen. It's also going to show, whatever color it is there as well. So that's how you do two of my favorite cool tricks on the Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, or really any, I believe any Galaxy phone running Android Oreo. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you down the road. Peace!